Want to test your coding skills? Then stop scrolling. These 5 tricky C programming questions will mess with your logic. Here's how this works. You'll get 10 seconds per question. Timer starts as soon as the question appears. After time's up, we'll reveal the correct answer with explanation. Keep track of your score. Comment your score honestly. Don't cheat. This is just for your knowledge. All the best for a quiz. Let's get started. Question number 1. Here it comes. And the correct answer is option C, undefined behavior. To know how, read below explanation. Let's move to next question. And the correct answer is option C, class. To know how, read below explanation. Let's move to next question. And the correct answer is option A, 10. To know how, read below explanation. And the correct answer is option B, in function. To know how, read below explanation. And the correct answer is option B, -1. To know how, read below explanation. So, how many did you get right? Be honest. Comment your score below. If you enjoyed this challenge, subscribe for more logic-based, tricky quizzes in C, Java, Python, and more programming languages. This is CodeQuiz, and we make you think.